Hi guys, welcome to Asian Delights Kitchen. Recently, in the wake of the BBC egg fried rice video that has gone viral along with the Uncle Roger's reaction, I thought now would be the best chance for me to share some authentic Chinese techniques to make fried rice. This video will cover detailed fried rice methods, which will include what wok to use, how to prepare rice, and what ingredients to add. The recipe I'm sharing today is a Chinese sausage egg fried rice, a typical home-style Chinese fried rice that most Chinese families make them at home. All the ingredients are easy to find from most grocery stores. The Chinese-style sausage now you can find at Costco. Now let's start with the rice. Ideally, we use cold leftover steamed rice to make the best fried rice. Thai jasmine rice is our best choice, but other long-grain rice may be used. Most Asian families have a rice cooker at home. If you make your rice in a pot, please make sure you reduce the water a little bit, as we want the rice to be drier. As to the finger measuring method, what Uncle Roger meant was to pour the rice into the pot that you're going to cook. Then lever it out while placing your index finger touching the surface of the rice. Add enough water so that it comes up to your first knuckle. There are measuring indicators in my rice cooker, 3/4 way to my first knuckle, and the cooked rice would be perfect to make fried rice. Even better if you refrigerate them, then use it the next day. If you're trying it at home, please let me know how your steamed rice turns out. We are making 2 servings today. For each serving, use 1 cup of cooked rice. These are overnight jasmine rice that I saved. It's good to have everything ready before we start cooking, because the progress is taking very quickly and the wok is heating up fast. I'm using some organic frozen mixed vegetables today. Pour half cup into a small bowl, then soak with water for 5 minutes and rinse. You can use any vegetable of your choice, along with the following ingredients. These Chinese-style sausage, you can find them in Costco warehouse. Soak them in water for a couple minutes, then peel the casings off. Then cut them into cubes. I ended up using 3 of them. Prepare some garlic, white or yellow onion, and green onion. Separate the white part and the green part. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them well. I'm using a carbon steel wok my friend gave me a couple months ago. After some cleanup, scrubbing, and seasoning, it became a perfect wok. I am loving it more and more, and it is what I use now for my daily cooking. If you see the before and after picture of the wok, you'll be so amazed. Heat the wok until piping hot. Turn to low heat, add in 1 tablespoon of peanut oil or canola oil. Spread around the wok. This is a basic technique called long yao. What it does is to create a non-stick surface to the wok. Gently add in the eggs. Move the wok around to spread the eggs. Flip or stir the eggs after 10 seconds. With the remaining heat from the wok, the eggs will be cooked to 80% in 20 seconds. Set them aside. Turn the heat to medium-high. Put in the Chinese-style sausage. Let it cook for around 1 minute. Stir or toss a bit. Put away the excess oil when it's done. Iron and carbon steel can transform high heat quickly to create what we call wok hei, a Cantonese phrase meaning breath of the wok. Wok hei supplies the desired charred aroma and smoky flavor. It can only be achieved under conditions of intense heat. The science behind it is Maillard reaction. The wok should always be heated until it just begins to smoke before adding cold oil. Never heat the oil together with the wok or the food will stick. Adding vegetable to stir fry around 1 minute. Sprinkle water 3 times to cook until softened. Clean the wok well. Then we are going to fry the rice. Heat the wok until piping hot. Turn the heat to medium-low. Add in 1 tablespoon of oil, garlic, onion, and white part of the green onion. Fry for 5 to 10 seconds. Add in our rice. Turn to medium-low heat. Take your time to fry the rice and separate the rice by pressing down with the spatula. Try not to break the rice using the top of the spatula. Keep pressing until you don't see any more chunks. If you feel the rice is too dry, add in 1 teaspoon of oil around the side and keep frying. Put the rice to one side. Add in eggs previously cooked. Break them down using a spatula. Mix with the rice and fry evenly. Add in the sausage. Stir fry for a bit. Add the vegetables to fry. The sausage has flavor, so we don't need to put too much salt. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and optional of half teaspoon of chicken powder. Now you can see how the rice is all cooked individually, but not too greasy. By tossing the wok, it circulates the heat. And one last touch is to add in our green onion. It'll give a good finish to our fried rice. Look at that color. I can't wait to taste it. Can't you tell how much I love green onion? I like to put some on top of my rice when I serve, just for that little crunchy texture. Here you have it, an authentic Chinese style sausage egg fried rice you can easily make at home. Please tell me in a comment below to share how it turns out. I hope you enjoyed watching my video today. Try my Chinese fried rice techniques and this home style fried rice at home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button for more delicious recipes. Thank you. See you next time.